Araw man ay lumilipas, ay tunay na hindi kukupas. Pagsuyo ko'y lalaging tunay, malinis at wagas. Dahil habang mayroong bukas, sa puso ko'y ikaw ang lunas. Damdamin ko'y sadya, walang wakas. Dahil ikaw lang ang una ko't huling pag-ibig. Sa piling mo'y walang ligalig, ika'y nag-iisa sa aking buhay. Dahil ikaw lang ang una ko't huling pag-ibig. Ang yakap mo ang aking langit, kailan pa may di kita ipagpapatid.
Frank Rose Music.
Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts when we cry. Towing apart, it's never so easy. And with all the aching's inside, I believe some hearts will survive. Trying hard to pretend, though I'm gonna be fair.
Find someone who is proud to have you, scared to lose you, fights for you, appreciates you, respects you, cares for you, and loves you unconditionally. This person will be your rock, your confidant, and your biggest cheerleader. They will stand by you in your darkest times and celebrate with you in your brightest moments. Never settle for less than the love that makes you feel valued and cherished every single day. Remember, true love is rare, but it's worth the wait. Find the one who makes your heart smile and never let go.